Welcome to this presentation on digital transformation in supply chain. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into how emerging technologies are rapidly reshaping one of the most complex and vital aspects of our global economy, the supply chain. Feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. Now, let's get started and explore how digital transformation is unlocking new value and efficiency across the supply chain landscape. Let's begin with a quick overview of the key topics we'll be discussing. Here's what you can expect from this session. First, I'll provide a quick introduction to digital transformation, setting the stage for why it matters in supply chains. Then, we'll look at how artificial intelligence and machine learning are making a huge impact. After that, we'll see how the Internet of Things, otherwise known as IoT, is modernizing logistics. We'll also dive into the role of blockchain in driving transparency. Finally, I'll wrap up with some key takeaways and a conclusion. With that roadmap in mind, let's jump into our introduction to digital transformation. Digital transformation is truly revolutionizing the way supply chains operate. By bringing in advanced technologies, such as data analytics and real-time connectivity, companies can respond to market shifts much faster than before. This not only streamlines how they operate, but also helps them deliver more value to their customers. Today's supply chains are becoming increasingly dependent on digital tools that make decision-making smarter, automate repetitive or manual tasks, and make collaboration easier across global networks. It's more important than ever for organizations to embrace this transformation if they want to stay competitive, resilient, and innovative as the landscape continues to evolve rapidly. With the context set, let's delve into some of the most transformative technologies at play, starting with AI and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, along with machine learning, is driving some of the biggest changes in supply chains right now. Let's break down a few major ways. First, we have advanced robotics. Think of AI-powered robots and even autonomous vehicles, which are revolutionizing warehouses and transportation alike. These systems can move materials with great precision, cut labor costs, and keep operations running around the clock. The result? Orders are more accurate and customers are more satisfied. Next, machine learning brings intelligent insights. Massive amounts of data can be analyzed to uncover hidden patterns and predict trends. This means supply chain professionals aren't just reacting to what's already happened. They can take proactive steps, forecast demand, and adjust strategies in real time. Finally, there's smart forecasting. AI can now optimize every part of the supply chain, from inventory levels to production schedules, using automation to minimize errors and quickly respond to unexpected disruptions. Not only does this help reduce overall costs, but it also enables companies to operate with greater agility in an unpredictable world. Now that we've seen how AI is transforming supply chains, let's explore the role of the Internet of Things, the IoT, in bringing logistics to a whole new level. The Internet of Things is creating a whole new era for logistics, thanks to its ability to connect devices, vehicles, and entire networks in real time. Here's how IoT is making its mark. First, supply chain synchronization. By linking suppliers, manufacturers, and retailers through shared digital data, IoT makes it possible to build fully integrated supply chains. This promotes transparency and fosters innovation throughout the logistics ecosystem. Next up is fleet optimization. Connected fleets can share live traffic and routing information, dynamically adjusting delivery routes for maximum efficiency. This helps reduce fuel usage, shortens transit times, and keeps distribution networks agile when facing daily operational challenges. Warehouse automation is another game changer. IoT-enabled facilities use smart shelves and robotics to optimize inventory management. Automated systems can find products faster, reduce human error, and consistently maintain accurate stock counts. And lastly, real-time tracking. With IoT devices like GPS trackers and environmental sensors, companies can keep watch over shipments every step of the way. Real-time alerts help teams respond to delays or unexpected events, protecting goods and reducing losses. To sum up, all these connected devices and sensors form the backbone of today's smart logistics, enabling unprecedented visibility and control. Building on this connectivity and visibility, let's now look at how blockchain technology is driving trust and accountability across global supply chains. Blockchain technology brings a new level of trust and transparency to supply chain management. First, supply chain proof. With blockchain, companies achieve end-to-end transparency, which helps them meet regulatory requirements and satisfy consumer demands for responsible sourcing. Stakeholders can clearly track the origins and sustainability of products throughout every stage. Smart contracts are another key innovation. These digital agreements automatically handle compliance and manage payments between suppliers and vendors. They streamline approvals, trigger actions based on real-time events, and cut through paperwork, eliminating unnecessary delays. And, of course, there's immutable tracking. Blockchain's decentralized ledger system keeps an unchangeable record of transactions from raw materials right through to the finished product. Each entry is time-stamped and tamper-proof, making it much harder for fraud or counterfeiting to occur, while also providing a clear audit trail. In short, blockchain is laying the groundwork for greater accountability and trust, especially in complex, global supply networks. Let's bring it all together with some key takeaways from today's presentation. To wrap things up, digital transformation technologies like AI, Internet of Things, and blockchain are fundamentally redefining how supply chains operate. These innovations are making supply chains more efficient, more resilient, and more transparent than ever before, ultimately helping organizations build sustainable competitive advantages for the future. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the evolving world of digital supply chains. Remember, the future is digital, and those who embrace these changes will be best positioned for success.